Good morning and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to make Elementor pop-up close when the user starts scrolling. So grab a coffee and let's do it. So let's say you have an offer that pops up right after the user enters your site, like this. But let's say that the user isn't interested in your offer and starts scrolling. And then there is this annoying pop-up that just doesn't go away. Let's say we don't want this to happen. Let's say we want to close this pop-up right after the user starts scrolling. And here's how to do that. First step is to copy the code from this video's description, and then we want to paste this code into Elementor custom code section. And here's how to do that. Go to your dashboard, click Elementor, click custom code, click add new, give it the name, doesn't matter what you give it. I will call mine close pop-up. Now the location should be body end, priority should stay 1, and paste the code in here. Oops, that wasn't the code is here. Now publish, condition should be entire site, save and close. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to identify the ID of the pop-up we want to target. So here's how to do that. Go to the page, you have your pop-up. Now on the pop-up, right click with the mouse. Now click inspect, then click on the arrow, then click on this blue overlay, and from here search for the ID. As you can see, the ID of my pop-up is Elementor POPUP model 52. Let's copy it. Yours might be different. So let's close this and go back to our code. Code is in Elementor, custom code. Now edit and enter your ID right in here. Boom. Then click update. We also want to target our footer, because the way this code works is that when the user starts scrolling in the direction of the footer, then the pop-up closes. So here's how to do that. Go to templates, add new, choose footer, give it a name, doesn't really matter what you name it. I will call mine footer 21. Create template. Now you can create your own footer or you can choose one from the library. Click insert. Now the next thing is you want to give this section an ID. So click on it, click advanced, and in the CSS ID field enter a value. Doesn't matter what you put in there. I will give it page footer. Now let's copy this, hit publish, add condition, save and close. Now let's go back to our code, exit to WordPress, click Elementor, click custom code, click edit, and enter the ID of your footer right in here. Now click update, and now everything should work as promised. So let's go and test it. Click your page where you have your pop-up. Now the pop-up hit here, and let's start scrolling. Boom, disappeared. So that's how you make Elementor pop-up disappear when the user starts scrolling. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make Elementor pop-up close when the user scrolls to a section. So make sure to like this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you want to see the next video, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.